Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some online hauls to share with you today. And this first package is from Eve Ara, and they did she did a sale on YouTube with Chiquita last week, and I'm just getting this package in. I mean, I think it's been in the mail for a while, but you guys, my mailbox, I don't check it every day, mainly because it's all the way down the street and I'm too lazy. So sorry, Eve. I think it's been in the mailbox all this time and I'm just now getting to it, so I'm so sorry. I have a few. So one is from Eve, one is from Chiquita, and one is from Ebony, who is the crafty girl on Instagram. So Chiquita had her live sale on YouTube last week, and I bought a few items. Oh, girl, are you sure I ordered all this? I'm sorry. But okay, so I know I ordered several things, but we'll get to it. Look at this, her beautiful card. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Let me pull this out. It's got all the shades of purple. Look at her. She's got the pearl detail. She's got the doily. Her little bow here. How pretty. She got stitching all the way around. Oh, it's my note. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're so welcome. Thank you, Eve. You are super talented. And yes, I am here for it, girl, because I love everything you ladies make. So pretty. Thank you so much, Eve. And these are the items. Let's see. Oh, that was not the opening, Eileen. Oh, so sorry. It's stuffed full, so it's a little bit on the full side. But look, oh, what is this? Oh, this is an extra goodie. Look at this. Wait, before I get into my order. Look at what she made. Oh my gosh, Eve. Wow. If I can get through plastic, we'll see. One of these days. Look at her beautiful card. So on the back side, it's one of those library cards, and she stitched on all her goodies. How pretty is that? Look at this lovely, lovely trim. This is beautiful. Thank you, Eve. Thank you so much, girl. Oh my gosh. And then look at this bag of beads. We've got red and white, well, red beads, white pearl beads, and some jingle bells. Look at how pretty. That is so cute. Oh, wow. That's going to be fun to play with. If you guys don't know, go check out Chiquita's lives. She has sales with several different crafty ladies that want to join her. I did pick up the flat back resin like embellishments. So here are the roses, and it's iridescent. It's got some glue dots on the back of them, so they're ready to go, ready to use. I picked up the hearts. Yay! Those are always handy. I did grab these beautiful flowers. You had to be quick on these lives to get some of the goodies. And then here's some red roses. Oh, yes. Oh, I got the tiny ones. Yee. Thank you, Eve. Oh my gosh, look at how tiny they are. Super cute. And then I got two of the blingies. Look, iridescent. And they got the faceted finishings on them, on their tops. How pretty. And then I got her gift bags. These are so pretty. They come with the bows. Those are the organza gift bags, but these have little teeny tiny speckles of like iridescent on it, and it's a pale, pale, pale pink. And they come with these, ooh, these are clips. Thank you, Eve. Oh, yes, girl. Thank you, thank you. That is going to be so handy. Okay, I'm not going to put the back because it's going to be a minute. So here are the pink organza. And there's two. You get the light pink, and then there's an option for a light pink or a darker pink, and I picked both. And then here is a very, very pale, pale peach. Like, so hard to tell, but you can, in person, you can see it better. And then here is her card. And she's Eve Ada on YouTube and Eve Ada 101 on Instagram. Thank you, my friend. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you for having all these wonderful goodies and sharing with us. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you. All right, so the next one is from, whoops, it's an empty envelope, sorry. The next one is from Deborah, and she is Chiquitas Crochet on YouTube and on Instagram. She is Chiquitas Blanquita, I think it is, on Instagram. So here are the goodies that I ordered. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, these beautiful butterflies. You guys, when she was showing these, I was like, what? That's paper? Yes, me please, me. And this is what she made. Look at how gorgeous. I'm gonna just take it out of the plastic because you cannot really see how beautiful this work is. Look at that. And it's got the little flecks on here. And the body is like the flat back gold embellishments there, but she's got gold edge all the way around the butterfly wings. And it's so pretty. And I don't remember what she said about the digital, about the print, but you guys, it's dimensional and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So yes, I definitely grabbed as many as I could. She had a lot of these, which I love. And she just had like a few of this one, this shape. So still very gorgeous, same treatment and everything. And then she shared this with me. Oh my gosh, Chiquita, thank you. That is so sweet. Oh, I got another one. Thank you. And then here are some papers, her dyed paper. Thank you, thank you. Yay, it's the lace. So she shared this on the live and I was like, mine, put it in mine. And she said this was one of her experiments and I love it. And it only worked with this color. So as she was experimenting with the different colors, this is the only one that worked really well, like really shows up. So I am definitely going to scan this beautiful paper and print it and reuse it often, more than once. So here are the envelopes. I purchased some of her envelopes and she's got some little tabs on there. And these are made out of music sheets. So pretty, inside and out. These are pages from a music book, I believe. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 because it came in a set of 2. So beautiful work, Chiquita. I love it. Thank you so much. These are going to be so very handy in the upcoming projects. So that is what I got from Chiquita. I did purchase some from Emily and Sherry, but I have not received my stuff yet in the mail. It's probably in the mail right as we speak right now, but I have not gone and checked it yet. So anyway, here is my other order from Miss Ebony, and I will link all these ladies in the description box below. I'm opening it onto the side because it has our addresses. But look, so Ebony has her sales on Instagram, Look at the Santa. Oh, she printed this one on some glitter paper. Says, thank you for supporting this mama run small business. Oh, that is so cute. I'm going to pull these off and just keep them in my book. But this, she sells her items on Instagram, and you got to go on there fast. As soon as she posts it, you gotta hit it, because this sucker, her stuff, not sucker, I'm sorry. These items sell so fast, like faster than hotcakes, okay? And I saw this and I was like, that is mine. Please, please, please tell me that you did not sell out of this. A few of them I only got 1 yard, and a few of them I got like, I think 2, no, half a yard. So I got 1 yard for some. So she sells it by half a yard. But look at this beautiful gingerbread. And she includes die cuts, guys, in her ruffle sales. You don't know what kind of die cuts you're gonna get, but look at the gingies, so cute. And they're printed on glitter paper. So thank you, Ebony. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Okay, I'll share the other gingerbread because I see the beautiful stuff on the bottom. Oh, I was trying to get 2. So this one is the one I got half of a yard because that was what was left. The ones, some of them that I did really want were sold out already. But look at this netting. What? Where did you find that? So this is going to be handy for some upcoming projects. Thank you, Miss Ebony. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How beautiful. OMG. And then this one right here. Oh my gosh, this reindeer. Adorable. Oh, these are the stickers from the table scatters. Look at these. I don't know. This one is not. This is a printed one. So this is cute. This is the one that's, oh no. These are the table scatters. I've never seen the green one. What? Hold up. Wait a minute. But look at how adorable. You get those all with this beautiful winter trim. So the minute you see Ebony start posting, you better jump on it on Instagram, because ladies go crazy for these trims. Crazy. And then here is my beautiful, luscious rosettes in this lavender and white and silver. Oh my gosh, Ebony, you have done it. Gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, my girl, this is so crazy. Okay, and so this one, you guys, if I can open it. If I can open it. There we go. Look at this. This itty bitty teeny tiny cookie tray. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. And she also had Gingy's gingerbread tray, but it sold out before I could say me. So yeah, like I said, it'll sell out from right under your feet, girl. So you better get on it. Look at her beautiful little emblem. What logo? Emblem. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh my God. She got her little note here. Oh, thank you so much, honey. You are so awesome. No, it's not even about that, girl. It's about your work is fabulous, and we all have to get our hands on it. So, ladies, I will put everyone's links in the description box below. And I hope you guys, follow them and check them out, because if you don't, I will literally buy them out if it's possible even. But thank you everyone, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.